What's going on, everybody? Apollo PC back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing all of you how to create a new computer user or account, so let's jump right into it. Also, if this video helps you guys out, please hit the like button so more people can find my video. I would appreciate it a ton. First thing you're going to want to do is go down to Start and click on Settings. Once your settings pops up, you're going to want to click on Accounts and go down over here to Family and Other Users. And from here, you want to click on Add Someone Else to this PC. A Microsoft account window should open up. It'll ask you how this person is going to sign in. You're just going to go down here and click I don't have a sign in. Another window is going to pop up asking you to create an account. You're just going to go down here to add a user without a Microsoft account. And this is where you're going to enter all the information. So we're just going to go who's going to use this computer, example, enter password, example, like that, example, security questions. What was your first pet's name? Big boy. What was your childhood nickname? BBG. Oh, BBG. Big. You're gonna hit next, and other users should pop up here. I'm gonna click on it, and we could do change account type or remove. So once you hit change account type, you can make the account an administrator or a standard user. So yeah, that's how you create a new computer account or user. If this video helped you guys out, please hit the like button so more people can find my video. I would appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video.